Good morning. Kerala Public Service Commission, Economics and Statistics ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ റിസർച്ച് ഓഫീസറുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. ഇതിൽ പ്രധാനമായിട്ടും മൂന്ന് സബ്ജക്റ്റാണ്: എക്കണോമിക്സ്, സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്സ്, മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ്. ഇതിൽ നിന്നും ആണ് മിക്കവാറും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം ചോദിക്കുക. ഇതിൻ്റെ സിലബസിൽ ഈ മൂന്ന് സബ്ജക്റ്റാണ് പ്രധാനമായിട്ടും ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇതിൽ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്സിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് മൊഡ്യൂളിൽ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ സിസ്റ്റം, ആ ടോപ്പിക്കിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്നിവിടെ പ്രതിപാദിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ഒഫീഷ്യൽ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്സിൻ്റെ സംവിധാനത്തെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ സിസ്റ്റം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഇന്ത്യൻ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ സിസ്റ്റം is the comprehensive framework of the official statistics of the country. It is established for the collection, compilation and dissemination of data for different purposes. Its primary objective is to get a reliable and accurate data for economic analysis, policy formulation, formulating planning policies or developmental strategies, etc., not only for the central but also the various states in the country. The Ministry of Statistics and the Program Implementation is the central nodal agency for the Indian statistical system. ഈ നോഡൽ ഏജൻസിയുടെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് ഈസ് ടു എൻഷുർ accurate and reliable data collection, data compilation and data dissemination of the various central and state governmental agencies. This Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation has two wings: the statistical wing and the program implementation wing. One of the important institution is the Indian Statistical Institute. The Indian Statistical Institute was formed by P.C. Mahalanobis, who is considered as the father of Indian statistics. This Indian Statistical Institute is at present an institution of national importance formed in accordance with the Act of Parliament in 1959. It is one of the pioneer institute for education, research and training for various statisticians in the country. Another important agency or key important agency is the National Statistical Commission. The National Statistical Commission came into existence on 12th July 2006. It was established based on the recommendation of Rangarajan Commission to ensure the independence, credibility and public trust in Indian statistical system. National Statistics Office is the statistical wing of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. So, this is also known as the statistical wing of the institution. This is the apex body responsible for coordinating the statistical activities in the country. Its major functions include the compilation of national accounts, preparation of index of industrial production, compilation of consumer price index, both rural and urban, and both also preparation of human development index, gender index, conducting national sample survey. National Sample Survey was launched in 1950. It is one of the largest continuous sample survey system in the world. It provides structured data for consumption, employment, education, household expenditure, living standards, and welfare. In Kerala, Department of Economics and Statistics is the nodal agency for the official statistics in the state. The State Academy for Statistical Administration, SASA, functions as the training and research institute for the department. It provides departmental training related with the statistics or all statistical activities, etc. The Kerala Statistical Commission is the apex body responsible for overseeing data collection, policy guidance, and strengthening the statistical system in the state. In Kerala, the vital statistics are collected mainly in different ways, mainly three different ways. The Registration of Birth and Death Act 1969 came into force in Kerala on 1st April 1970. Under the Vital Statistics Division in Kerala, there are three major schemes. This includes the Civil Registration System, Sample Registration System, and Spot Check Survey. The Civil Registration System refers to the continuous, permanent, and compulsory recording of the vital events such as births and deaths occurring in the population. So, this is a compulsory, continuous, and permanent registration system of birth and death. This is implemented on the basis of the Act, that is the Registration of Birth and Death Act. The Sample Survey System, SRS, is the largest demographic survey in India, and it is mandated to provide essential or annual estimates of fertility, mortality indicators, both the state and the national level. The Spot Check Survey is another important one, aims to identify the under-registration of vital events and to estimate actual and residential vital rates in selected urban locality. The major steps involved in survey planning consisting of defining the objectives of the study, identifying the target population, deciding what type of survey is to be conducted, selecting an appropriate sampling technique, designing questionnaire or interview schedule, and pre-testing survey tools. As far as the survey execution is concerned, the survey execution refers to the actual implementation of the survey plan. It includes training of investigators and enumerators, then field level data collection, supervision and quality control, editing and coding of data, data entry and analysis, and preparation of final results.